Hello, I am Mel Bateman and I am an artist and you can be one too. Today we're going to draw a sunflower and it's going to be awesome. Feel free to share your drawings in the comments once you're done. Let's get started. Okay, so we're going to draw a sunflower. A couple things you're going to need. You're going to need a piece of paper. You're going to need some crayons. I have a yellow crayon. This is like a dark yellow. And then this is yellow orange. I have gray, brown, and black. Okay. The first thing we're going to do, we're not going to start on our sunflower yet. Let's talk about some shapes. Okay. So we know what a circle is. Okay. So we're going to take this circle and we're going to squish it a little bit. And if we squish it, we're going to get an oval. Okay. So it's like a squished circle is an oval. Okay. So with our sunflower, we're going to need something that's like an oval. We're going to take the sides of the oval and we're going to pinch them. Okay. So we're going to go like this. Okay. So we have a pinched oval. These are going to be our flower petals. Okay. If you want, before you get started, you can take another piece of paper and you can practice doing those flower petals. Okay. Flower petals. Awesome. So now that you kind of know what the flower petal is going to be like, I'm going to get a new piece of paper. We'll get started on this sunflower. Okay. So we're going to start. We are going to draw a circle in the middle. Oh, my crayon broke. Okay. That's all right. Here we go. Dun, 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 circle. So this is going to be the middle of the sunflower. We're going to need to do some petals on this sunflower. Okay. So this is where we're going to take our ovals that are pinched. Ah, look at that. That's a bummer. I'm going to switch to this crayon that's over here. Okay. Still black. Okay. So I'm using my black crayon. I'm just going to go around this sunflower. Okay. Now what's hard with these is you don't want to do the bottoms so close that they're touching because then it'll get all wonky. You want the middle part of these flower petals to touch. Okay. So you have to think about where you're going to bring it out to when you do it. Okay. Just going to go all the way around this circle with these petals. Oh no, they don't fit well together. That's okay. We're going to go like this. We're going to make this flower better. It'll look a little funky. All right. This is our base for our sunflower. Okay, we're going to do a little more. We're going to take here. We're going to pretend. So here's another petal. Okay, so we're just going to do kind of curved triangles here in between these ones. Kind of like you're doing little upside down V's all the way around the sunflower in between each petal. Okay. Next, we're going to take our yellow crayon, okay? Each of these pieces that are in the front, so not these little triangle ones we did, these big ones, we're going to color those all in yellow. I hum a lot when I'm coloring. Coloring is fun. Okay. We're almost done with all these yellow ones. Oh, just kidding, I'm halfway. And it's okay if it takes you longer than me. I've been drawing for a while. And that's the thing about drawing. If you keep working at it, you'll get better and you can get quicker at things too. So it doesn't take quite as long to get things done. And then also you'll get better at making different shapes. Your lines will be more defined. You'll also have more confidence. There you go. So we have all those yellow petals filled in, okay? We're gonna put down the yellow now. I'm gonna take this darker yellow color, okay? And all these underneath petals, I'm gonna color this darker yellow, but I'm also gonna do there's this little triangle here between the middle of the flower and before the petals start. I'm gonna do that this darker yellow also. So see, you got that darker yellow there. I'm going to do that all the way around. This crayon broke too. These are really cheap crayons. I just grabbed some of my kids' crayons and was like, I'll just use these. That's okay. Guess what? Crayons still work even if they're broken. So you can see I'm holding it a little differently because it's too short to fit in my fingers that way. That's okay. Okay? Sometimes things happen, things break, and you just move forward with what you got. You can excuse my husband singing in the background. I told him I was going to record a video, and he was like, excellent, I'll be sure to provide some background music for your video. He's a pretty silly guy, but that's why I married him. Okay. Okay, we're getting closer to being done with our beautiful sunflower. Okay, before we move into the middle part of the flower though, we're going to add some shading to these petals. Okay, so we're going to use these yellow petals first, and we're taking our darker yellow. So the color we used for these, but we're going to use it on this yellow here, okay? You're going to come to the center of the circle, so like the bottom part here. I'm just going to color lightly over top there. See, just on the bottom part. And it's going to give the petal a little more depth so it looks more 3D, kind of like it's popping up out of the page. Okay. This dark yellow, we're just going to do on every single one of these petals. Now I'm not going like halfway up the petal. I'm going maybe a third, if you know thirds. So if you cut the petal into 3 pieces, you have 1, 2, 3. I'm doing the bottom piece of that third of the petal. I'm going to do this darker yellow on top there. Okay, now there's one more thing we're going to do on these main petals with this color, okay? You're going to take, you're just going to kind of do a little stripe down the middle, okay? And it doesn't have to be super dark, like maybe it is, but maybe it's not, and that's okay. Because these petals tend to have little lines down them. Okay, poor wonky petal. Now we're going to take our, this is a yellow-orange one, okay? We're going to add some depth to the back petals back here, okay? So first, we're going to go over this bottom part down here, okay? The little triangle, so the bottom part is more in shadow. Okay, because when things are in shadow, they're darker, right? Because shadows are dark, so these are a little darker, these triangles. There we go. Okay, now for the top part, if there's petals, so see, like if there's my hand, there's something covering it. My hand's shadow, the top hand's shadow, is kind of on this bottom hand's shadow. So we're going to take this yellow orange, this darker one, and we're going to kind of go make like a V shape around here so that these, it looks like these upper petals are casting a shadow on the lower petals. Follow along. Guess what? This crayon broke too. I'm too hard on my crayons, I guess. I just need to be nicer to them. Who knows? There we go, all the way around. I got all of them? I did. Ta-da! And then one more thing, we're going to do the little line up on all of these petals. Okay, we are done with our sunflower's petals. So now we got to do the inside part, okay? Now this part's going to be fun. I like doing this. This is a type of art you can call stipple, but it's not exactly stipple because we're not doing shadows with it, but we're going to do a bunch of dots, okay? So we have gray, brown, and black that we're going to use. I'm going to start with brown, okay? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go all over in this circle. I'm just going to make little brown dots. Okay, don't have to be like super fancy. We're just doing lots of little dots. Okay, because in the middle of a sunflower, there's lots of seeds and they have lots of shadows, and there's just like tons of them all clumped together. So we're using these dots to kind of portray all of the different seeds. Okay, so now I'm going to use gray, and I'm going to go in and I'm going to make gray dots all over. Good. Now, guess what? We're going to do black dots. I'm kind of just like whacking my crayon. Well, not, you know, just like going like this, but down onto my paper to make these little dots in my sunflower. Awesome. Okay, so we got our dots. We're going to take our brown crayon again, and now you're just going to kind of go over lightly over the whole circle here for the center of the sunflower. Okay. Now, if you want to add more dots, you can. I'm going to add more dots. That brown we did in the back, that we did lightly over, that was just to make sure that it was even there, so we didn't have white spots. Sunflowers are not white. I'm going to do a few more black. And I'm going to do gray one more time. All right, I am done with my sunflower. Now, whenever you finish a picture, it's important to put your name on it so that you know who did it, okay? Now, I write in cursive, so I am going to sign mine down here. I'm going to do Mel B. And then sometimes artists like to put the date that they did it on there. I'm not going to do that because I don't care. But if you want to put your date on it, you surely can. So there's our sunflower drawing. Thank you for drawing with me. I hope you learned something, and I really want to see your pictures of sunflowers that you did. So take a picture of it, post it in the comments. I'd love to see. Thanks. Have a great day.